Earthquake and Volcano in Japan and Italy. Written by Ruto Hashia. The Roman Empire in 117 AD. Art is greatest extant. Lucius designed the greatest bath. Certainly, Your Highness. Characters. Lucius. Lucius is an architect in ancient Rome. Hadrian. Hadrian was Roman emperor from AD 117 to 138. Unknown 1 and 2. Earthquake and volcano in Japan and Italy. Originally, baths should be the place for resting. Hot springs was in Mount Vesuvius. It's a great idea. Actually, Mount Fuji. In Japan, there are many volcanoes and nice hot springs. Mount Fuji is about 112 kilometers from Tokyo, which had been considered doormat for a long time. Nice and warm. In fact, Mount Fuji is an active volcano. A lot of earthquakes often happen. Hey Mario, another time trip! No wonder. Japan is a part of the Ring of Fire, where most of the earthquake and volcanoes occur. Can you believe these 4 plates meet underneath Japan? Look at where the arrows point. They are colliding Japan, which means these are convergent plate boundaries. As you can see, Japan Trench's subduction zone. The crust is subducting into a xenosphere, and the magma is going up to Earth's surface, which forms a volcanic island arc. Hey, don't push me! Hey, who is the bossy guy to push these plates onto Japan? Oh no, far, far away. A divergent plate boundary, you do? Don't push me! Yes, great food! Nothing is better than great food. Unless it's moldy though. Red lines are convergent plate boundaries. Blue lines are divergent plate boundaries. And between them, green lines are transform fault, which whose plates past each other. Also, the purple ones are hot spots, which are volcanoes that are not associated with plate boundaries. The crust is born at the lithospheric rifting under the ocean. Mid-ocean ridges is growing few centimeters each year and die at the ocean trenches. Nobody noticed that because it is too much slow. However, such an innocent sounding plate tectonics can cause terrible disasters. The Great Haitian Earthquake occurred in January 17, 1995. The earthquake was 34.59 degrees north and 135.07 degrees east, and the focus was located 17 kilometers beneath it. Aftershock lasted 74 days, of which were strong enough to be felt. Richter scale was magnitude 7.3 and Mercalli scale was 7. 1. Inside house. Say, labor is tough work. 2. Another time trip. 3. I have a great rolling. 4. I'm not scared. Hey Mario! I don't want to stay like this. Mamma mia! I didn't read to that. So it's like 1, 2, 12, 4, 2, something like that. Here comes modified Mercalli scale. It must be another time trip. No. The Great Haitian Earthquake. The catastrophe was caused by Nojima fault. There are 3 types of fault: normal fault, dip-slip fault, reverse fault, dip-slip fault, and strike-slip fault. Nojima fault is a reverse fault. During Great Haitian earthquake, the release of energy along the fault produces seismic waves. Seismometer checks the alert of seismometer day and night, which can measure and record the ground motion. Seismograph. Primary waves is the fastest runner. Secondary waves is the slowest. Then primary waves. Surface wave is the slowest, but the most damage at the Earth's surface. Primary wave, secondary wave, surface wave. Ha ha ha! I'm not drunk. I'm so dizzy. Ancient Olympics winners stand. I didn't Emperor Hadrian. Only 15 years later, earthquake of the Pacific Ocean of Tohoku took place, named Great East Japan Earthquake, on March 11, 2011. The epicenter was 38.322 degrees north, 142.369 degrees east, and the force was located 29 kilometers beneath the epicenter. Richter scale was magnitude 9.1, and Mercalli scale was 9. As you can see, the epicenter is Pacific Ocean, approximately 70 kilometers away from Japanese coast, the triggered of pandemonium. Tsunami! Run! Reward you! What? Silly tsunami knocked down some nuclear power plants of all places. Still now, the nuclear power plants are leaking radioactive into the Pacific Ocean. On that day, when one of my Colombian friends heard the radioactivity news, he tried to sail from Nagoya as soon as possible, leaving message behind to run away. But 2 hours later, she was back because of Nagoya was safe. This is a true story. I'm back, Pompeii. The proverb says all roads lead to the Roman Empire. AD 79, massive eruption of Vesuvius buried the towns of Pompeii under a thick layer of forming volcanic ashes and pumice up to 2.8 meters deep. The explosion threw up a high-altitude column from which ash and pumice began to fall, blanketing the area. I must view a new Serma, like the hot spring in flat-faced folks. Emperor Hadrian must be praised this idea. Is it an earthquake? Eureka! No, it's eruption. Lucius, you left behind your underpants. 25. Main features of the volcano. A volcano is a vent in Earth's crust through which lava, ash, rock, and gases erupt. Mount Vesuvius, Mount Fuji, which one? Lucius mistook Mr. Fuji as Mr. Vesuvius because they are both composite volcanoes, which are large, steep, rhyolitic lava and ash. I'll show you 4 major types of volcanoes now. Cinder cones are small, steep-sided volcanoes that are gas-rich basaltic lavas. Shield volcanoes are large with gentle slope of basaltic lavas. Caldera. You see Mount Soma is a caldera or supervolcano. Mount Vesuvius grows inside Mount Soma. Magma of high silica is high viscosity and contains dissolved gases. As magma moves towards the surface, the pressure is getting decreased and magma of high viscosity forms bubbles, inflates the gigantic balloons, and results in explosive eruptions. At Pompeii in 2015, I I saw a plaster cast of a dog or something. I don't know. However, do you know why the plaster casts are so real? Archaeologists created plaster casts out of the voids left by the decay of organic materials in the hardened volcanic ash and pumice. Hey guys, our famous Jack and Annie from Magic Treehouse on here. The pyroclastic flows at least 250 degrees will be coming soon. You have to escape from it or you'll be plaster cast too. Uh-oh, we're stuck. See, I said Jack and Ernie tried to move through the millions of worn grayish white pumice, but their way through more and more pumice fell. Rise, Sean. Thanks, Harkness. I mean, Lucius. Lucius saved their lives and they 3-time traveled to look for another hot spring by the Magic Tree House. A message to friends who have read this cartoon. This story is a parody of Thermal Roma and Magic Tree House 13, Vacation Under the Volcano. If you don't know the original stories, check them out. Thermal Roma is a Japanese cartoon series by Mari Yamazaki. Fuji TV produced a live-action film adaptation and released on April 28, 2012. A second film was released in 2014. The Magic Tree House is an American series of children's books written by American author Mary Pope Osborne and Vacation Under the Volcano. Jack and Annie travel to Pompeii on the eve of eruption of Mount Vesuvius. Thanks for leaving. Index. Earthquake to fault, seismic wave, focus. Epicenter, primary wave, secondary wave, surface wave, seismologist, seismographs, seismometer of conversion, subduction, conversion, divergent, transform fault, volcano, magma, hotspot, shield, volcano, composite, volcano, cinder cone, volcanic ash by classicity, active, dormant, ring of fire, island arc, rifting, accidental sphere, caldera, Richter scale, Mercalli scale, eruption, aftershock, dip, slip, fault, normal fault, vent. Don't even take a bath with fools because they throw away the soap. Italian proverb. A bath refreshes the body. Tea refreshes the mind. Japanese proverb.